Once again, the European Commission takes a clear stand against Poland. It triggered quite controversial judgments in the highest Polish court. The country is even threatened with further financial sanctions. The EU Commission is taking legal action again against the country because of the controversial judgments by the Polish Constitutional Court on the status of EU law. The Brussels authority initiated what is known as an infringement procedure on Wednesday, which could end with another lawsuit before the European Court of Justice and, ultimately, with financial sanctions against Warsaw. According to the EU Commission, the rulings of the Polish Constitutional Court violate, among other things, the priority and the principle of uniform application of EU law and the binding effect of ECJ rulings. In addition, the Brussels authority expressed serious doubts about the independence and impartiality of the Polish Constitutional Court. The background to the decision is, among other things, a ruling by the Polish Constitutional Courts from the beginning of October, according to which parts of EU law are incompatible with the Polish Constitution. This calls into question a cornerstone of the European legal community. The Polish court had already ruled in July that the application of interim ECJ injunctions relating to the country's judicial system was incompatible with Polish constitution. Just one day after the October ruling, EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen made the position of her authority unmistakably clear. EU law takes precedence over national law, including constitutional provisions. All EU member states have adopted this principle as members of the European Union, and they signed it. The EU Commission will make use of all powers that the treaties give them to enforce this principle. However, the National Conservative PiS government in Warsaw does not want to recognize this fundamental primacy of EU law. The Polish ruling party PiS has been reorganizing the country's judiciary for years, regardless of international criticism, thereby putting judges under pressure. Because of the reforms, the EU Commission has already opened several infringement proceedings against Warsaw and filed lawsuits with the European Court of Justice. Several reforms were overturned there. Well, in the judgment of the Polish Constitutional Court in October, Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki asked the court to review a judgment of the ECJ from spring. In this, the top EU judges found that EU law can force member states to disregard individual provisions in national law, even if it is constitutional law. And now I have a little bit of information for you regarding this channel or myself, or however you want to put this. Because this is my last video until Monday. Because this year I'll take 2 days off for Christmas for once, never did that one before. But after more than 3,000 videos on all of my channels this year, I'll treat myself to that. And incidentally, in Germany, today is the day on which we open our presents. I know it's different in many other countries. And both Christmas days are public holidays in Germany, by the way. This year it's a Sunday, so it doesn't matter really, but it is. If you have very special traditions for Christmas, please write them in the comments. I'm always curious to see if and how my audience will celebrate Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, I still wish you a quiet weekend and get some rest. But don't end the video right now. I have a special treat for you if you do want to get into a more Christmassy mood than you already are in. And the end of the videos will be different in every video on every channel today. So enjoy. And don't forget, don't fight, be festive. Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Joyeux Noël, Fröhlich Gerstfest und frohe Weihnachten.